Tomato and egg stir fry, a 2-ingredient dish anyone can master. It's considered a classic Chinese dish, but the recipe is only 100 years old. It wasn't until the 1900s that locals started to cook with foreign produce like tomatoes. Shaoxing wine removes the fishy smell in eggs and adds a nutty flavor to it. The taste profile of this dish varies in different regions. People in northern China prefer the dish to taste savory, but in the south, people like it a little sweet. Besides sugar and salt, some people add ketchup or vinegar. A perfect tomato and egg stir-fry is tangy and fragrant. It goes well with rice or noodles. It's the go-to for Chinese families when they want a simple meal.
It's all about the purity of the ingredients.
Does it taste good?
It's like a duo combination. It's so simple, but yet it's so good. You know, I feel like it's a perfect, like, you know, hangover food or like late night snack food.
Okay, one more.
One more what?
Spoon it.
One more spooning. Okay. Let's do one more spoon.
You
Come on.
You dropped
Cheers.
the egg.
Cheers.
Okay,
Cheers.
do you